All right, so today we are going to be calculating circumference. Remember, circumference is the distance around a circle. So the relationship you learned about circumference to the diameter, we represent the relationship with pi. And remember, pi is approximately 3.14. So when looking for circumference of a circle, we have two separate formulas that we could use, which will still give us the same thing. So circumference of a circle, you have circumference is equal to 2 times pi times radius, or circumference is equal to pi times diameter. It depends on what you are given. So let's take a look at example A. I have a circle here, and with this circle, I am given the diameter. I know this is the diameter because the distance goes across the circle through the center. So here my diameter is 20. So if I go back and look at my star chart, and you can find this under the resources tab. If I go back and look at my star chart, I know I'm going to use the formula circumference is equal to pi times diameter. And I know that because I was given diameter. Okay. So in order to find circumference, I know I need to use the formula circumference is equal to pi times diameter. Now, since my diameter is 20, I know that my radius is 10. Remember, your radius is half of your diameter. Okay? So now that I have my formula, I'm going to substitute in the values. So I have circumference is equal to pi, which is 3.14. So you can either use 3.14 or use your calculator, and then my diameter, which is 20. Okay, so we're going to multiply those two numbers. So I open up my calculator and I am going to multiply pi by 20. So I'm going to use second and then the exponent caret. That gives us pi times 20, and I am given circumference is equal to 62.83. Okay, so we have 62.83. So that's your answer. Next, I am given a circle. This time I have my radius, and so then my radius is 17. So since my radius is 17, that means my diameter is 34, because I'm going to multiply my radius by 2 in order to find my diameter. And now, since I am given radius, I'm going to use the formula circumference is equal to 2 times pi times our radius. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in our calculator. So if I put that in my calculator, I'm going to do 2 times pi, so second, times our radius, which is 17, and you get 106.81. Okay, so even if I were to multiply, you'll see how it's the same thing, because if I were to multiply by the diameter, I should get the same thing. So pi times 34 still gives us the same thing. And last but not least, let's look at our last example. Here I am given circumference is equal to 10,000 pi. So I know this looks like the formula circumference equals pi times diameter. Pi is still there, so that means my diameter has to be 10,000. If my diameter is 10,000, that means my radius is 5,000. You're going to go ahead and complete the quizzes. And that's your assignment for today.